Hi, this is Sherry. I'm from Shunhao Machinery Factory in China. And today we come to visit our customers in Africa. She running the factory very well. This is 300 tons machines, can make the single colors. This is lab products. This is lab products with joint cavities, 4 pieces. And this is can use different colors, can be white, green, yellow, black, whatever colors you like. So these are making from Shunhao machines. This is good performance with single color. Of course, right now the 2 colors are also popular start. And these machines, this machine is 300 tons, is the best sale still now from the last 7 years. So if you have the demand of the machines to improve your production, welcome to visit Shunhao, and we will discuss about your new project. If you have the plan to start a new project about like the new factory will be around like 70 or $80,000 can start a new factory. Okay, so this is the joint cavities for the mold, for the machines, and for the powders we supply for the whole chain service A to Z. Of course, we can have the good experience of this melamine tableware industries from the single color or from the 2 colors, the machines. We have this very good relationship with all the customers and good after sales service. This is Sherry. I'm from the Shunhao factories. I'm the owner of the factories and factory location in Dongguan. Welcome you to visit us and follow Sherry. Can give you more options and more ideas. Thank you.